how to send old pictures as new snaps on Snapchat. So if you want to send old pictures on Snapchat as a new snap, then first of all you can open up your Snapchat application, and then you can simply go for you can choose your filter as a gallery filter. So I'll show you, like you can simply go for the bottom right, which has that search icon. Tap on that search and then search for gallery, and after searching here you will have filters of your gallery, right? So what you can do is you can simply add something from your gallery. So for example, you can choose anything that you would like to send as a snap from your gallery photos. So I'll be choosing this one, and after choosing that you can simply take a snap of that. Like you can simply tap on that, and now you can send that to the particular person. Or you can also do another thing. There is another way. You can simply take a snap, and then you can go for the upper right, which has that stickers icon, and then go for the images, and from here you can simply choose a photo that you would like to add, and then you can enlarge it, and that's it. Now you can send them by simply tapping on next and choose and then send. So that's it. That's how you send old pictures as a new snap. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.